I wanted to shoot another video of this radio I purchased. One of the other things I was having issue with is the steering wheel controls. Wasn't syncing, they wasn't working when I plugged up the radio. Quick fix, all you have to do is go into here, go into your settings, go into your car settings, and then you want to scroll down where it says SWC, which is steering wheel controls. Click learn type, then enter, and all you have to do is calibrate. So you'll see here it says short press learning, it says represent long press learning. So if you look at the volume button, you see one little dot. All you have to do is hit this volume down button, go over to your steering wheel, hit that down button, and it'll sync. And you just keep doing the same thing, and you'll see the colors turn. You do it for previous, next, phone, and you should be good to go.